waiting. We are waiting for you. Eh?
Are you deaf? Don't keep us waiting. Answer us!
Well, I am ready to swear by the Bible, not by any oracle. And I want to get my people involved. I also have Omonna in my place.
Is that your final answer?
Yes, that is my final answer.
It's okay. We will conclude on this matter some other time. But there's another thing about tradition. You know you don't have a male child. I hope I'm right. And your husband is dead. So I want to let you know that according to our culture and tradition, that this house now belongs to the next man of this house. And it's not that person than Timothy here in our midst. Yes.
What? Uncle Timothy, okay? So this is your plan, Epa? It has failed.
Will you shut up your mouth? Shut up your mouth and stop insulting your husbands. Don't you know we are your husbands? Huh? We're not talking about Timothy here. We are talking about our tradition. And look, our tradition says that this place now belongs to him. And we must uphold our tradition. And that is final.
What?
And we must uphold our tradition.
What stupid tradition is that?
I said sit down.
Hey!
We can see.
You calm down and listen to us.
Don't tell me to calm down. There's nothing to listen to. My husband left a will. And what the will says is what will happen. I know my rights.
And your right is to insult the elders. Look at yourself. Look, you better watch your Mama G and kill this saber. Huh? You're not afraid of the elders.
How? That is.
Woman.
Eh? Well, my brothers, it's okay. She said her late husband left her will. Let's wait for her lawyer to come and I'll abide by whatever is in the will.
Timothy, I don't know what I'm saying.
No, I am now ready to take care of the family left behind by my dead brother.
Now I know that you are a very good-hearted man.
For peace to reign.
Timothy, that is so thoughtful of you. Rose, get across to the lawyer so that we can settle this issue once and for all.
Yes. Oh, God. Hello?
Barrister, where are you? You promised to be here today. We are waiting, please.
Yes. I'm coming. I'll be there soon. Huh?
Okay, sir. Please, we are waiting for you. Thank you, sir.
Nonsense of this.
I don't know what is going on. Why is the barrister behaving like this?
It's okay, Mom. Maybe his phone is down.
I think something is wrong somewhere. Something is definitely wrong somewhere. The way he sounded, very unlike him.
Mom, I think you should go to his office and see him one-on-one.
Princess, you have a point. If he doesn't show up by the end of today, first thing tomorrow morning, I'll go to his office.
Hello? Yeah, please, it's the barrister.
Eh?
The barrister. I want to see him.
My Oga?
Yes.
He traveled.
Traveled?
He traveled.
To where? When?
He traveled yesterday. He traveled with his family. And to London. I don't know when he's coming back.
Hey.
As you can see, I'm trying to lock up the office. I'm going.
You said he traveled with his family?
I said he traveled with his family.
Oh, okay. Do you have any number I can reach him with? Please. Don't be angry, please.
Number what?
Yes.
I don't have his number. As you can see, I'm about to go. So, Imeshazia, Latavazia.
Timothy.
Nah.
We really want to appreciate you for your kindness to us. The way you've been taking care of us, giving us drinks, good food, and so many of them. We really want to say thank you very much. But at the same time, I don't know what is really going on. We've been here for 3 days now. And Rosalind keeps telling us her lawyer is coming, her lawyer is coming, her lawyer is coming. I've never seen any lawyer. I don't really understand what is happening.
I'm very sorry for this situation. That's what I've been going through. I'm still going through it. See, this woman keeps on lying, turning, twisting. Her plan is to sell everything here, then run to her boyfriend. But that's where she is now.
Do you know what surprises me? When you look at that woman, she will look very innocent, as if she cannot even hurt a fly.
A slow poison, that's what she is. Slow poison.
Anyway, we can't keep staying. We're tired of staying here. I think we should be going back to the village.
Like I said before, I'm very, very sorry. But I'm sure that at the end, we will have a big praise. We won't lose at the end.
It's okay.
Meanwhile, I want to give you something for your transport. At least when you go home, they will know you didn't go to waste your time. This is for you. This is for you.
50,000 naira. All for me. This is more than transport.
You deserve it. You deserve it.
Timothy.
Yes.
Okay, one over there. Hey, Degu. I think we have to stay. What are we worried? We'll stay some few days more. Okay. I've discussed with my my man here, so we've decided to stay. Anytime that we finish what we've come for, then we can go.
There's more from where that one came from.
So we should expect more.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Rosa, I don't understand. I don't know what is going on. We have been here for more than 1 week, and you have been posting us from pillar to post. About your lawyer and the will. What kind of embarrassment and insult is this?
Don't be very upset. I don't know what has come over the lawyer. He has been turning me up and down. He's no longer picking my calls.
What are you about? We are here for you to tell us what killed your husband. You're talking cock and bull story. You, which of a woman, be very careful of. You can't push us again.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying, you become deaf.
I didn't kill my husband, you wicked man. Evil man. You're scheming all this because you didn't get what you wanted from me.
My brothers, did you hear her?
Tell us.
Okay, what was the time I was trying to get a Dikeh?
You wanted to sleep with me at all costs. When I refused, you started scheming, trying to paint me black.
I walk by my Shinike po.
Why are Rosalie? Huh? Oh. Is this who you really are? Huh? I've been sympathetic with you all along. Now I can see that you are the Jezebel. Eh? How can you cook up such a scandalous accusation in our presence?
Nai.
Yes?
Believe me, I didn't cook up anything. I'm telling the truth.
Quiet! Shut up, Rosalie. We are witnesses to all the efforts Timothy is making to make sure that you are comfortable with your children. All you can do is to scandalously accuse him like as if you are accusing a small boy. I want to go one.
Oh,
yeah. Woman, what do you take us for? Old foolish elders from the village, right? Huh? Is that what you take us for? Now, you better start telling us what you know about the death of your husband, and the earlier the better.
I've said everything I know. I've told you people the truth. Timothy is just victimizing me because he didn't have his way with me.
Will you shut up your mouth? He's not doing anything to you. You are nothing but a demon. And you are the one that have been demonizing him. Simply because he stand on your way to sell our brother's properties and run away with your sugar boy. It will not happen. It can never. Oh, you think we don't know your plans?
Yes.
Oh, you think we don't know? We know your plans.
That is our conclusion on this matter.
Now, I want you to listen and listen good. Eh? We are tired of your pranks. Enough of all this. And we want to let you know that as far as we are concerned, we the elders, Timothy here is the owner of the entire household right now. So I will advise you in your own interest, please cooperate with him, live happily with him for peace to reign. That is our final judgment.
Very simple.
We left our families back in the village to come here to settle your family problem. You should appreciate us instead of shedding this crocodile tear. You know?
Nai, why are you people doing this to my mommy? We lost our father. And instead of consoling us, you're all adding to our sorrows. Just because of all the lies Uncle Timothy are feeding you people with.
Hey!
It's not fair at all, no.
Will you shut up your mouth, you little rat? Shut up your mouth! So that's what your mother told you to come and tell us. Rosa, you have seen it. So this is the way you train these children to embarrass and insult elders. Eh?
A snake must always beget something very long.
You are right, You are right. Obiora, first thing tomorrow morning, we are leaving this place before this woman and her children will kill us.
You people should go. You're all wicked and heartless elders.
You don't need to tell us. We are going tomorrow morning. You won't see us by this time tomorrow in your place.
You see what you have done to yourself. The battle just started there. You see what you have done to yourself. The battle just started. And for you, more chicha, you think when a kindergarten school, you will all see. Oh, Jacob, and then you see.
Timothy. Timothy. Okay, this place belongs to you. It's your own.
They should know.
Push her out.
They should know.
If you can't do it alone, let us know. Look, as we are going, we'll prepare a report to our elders in the village in your favor. Push her away.
I've dealt with her already. I will keep it tomorrow. Today, on that bottom.
Yes.
I trust you.
Timothy bulldozer. I trust you. I'm not going anywhere. This is my husband's house. This is my husband's house. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Mommy. Leave me alone. I
I am not going anywhere. This is my husband's house. Leave me alone. What is it? Bring it up. Mommy. This is my husband's house. I'm not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. I am not going anywhere. You're a wicked man. You're a thief. God will punish you. God will punish you. Leave me alone. God will punish you. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. What is it? Send me your paw.
You don't get out in 10 minutes about her. Oh, remember, God blow your
You will not do anything.
Nothing will happen.
Oh, what do you think, man? Bring the gun. Bring it anything. You're just a wicked man. A criminal. That's what you are. God will punish you. God will punish you.
If you don't get out in 1 minute, 60 seconds, I kill all of you. Nothing will happen.
Oh, what do you think, man? You will not do anything. What are you saying? We should leave our house for this criminal.
He will kill us. I don't want to die.
Oh.
Okay.
Listen to your daughter.
So how long let me collect my khaki and take my children away?
Khaki. You're a cripple. The key is with me forever.
What are you saying?
The same
You want to marry me in my husband's car? You know the thing, you don't know what I'm talking about. Leave me. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. No! God will punish you! God will punish you! God will punish you! God will punish you!
Because I left you to be idiotic all the years. Again,
Confused, whom will I talk to? Chimle, where are you, Lord? Standing alone, so much confused. Chimle, where are you, Lord? Ebekino, Shukumo.
Amaka, Ebere, what happened?
They said we've not paid our school fees.
What is wrong with the headmistress? I told her that I will pay next week.
Mommy, we have to do something, no? If you see the way they embarrassed us, they didn't even allow us to enter the class.
It's okay, my princess. It's okay, I'm sorry about that. It's okay, everything will be fine.
When will everything be fine? Mommy, this suffering is too much.
I just said it's okay. Everything will be fine, okay? I know how you feel.
I have to do something.
Please, take it easy.
I have to do something.
What can I do? Nobody to help us. My parents and siblings depended on me until everything turned upside down. Your uncle Timothy took everything and left us with nothing. Please, my dear, try and understand, okay?
No, Mommy, are we going to continue suffering like this?
We just have to pray to God for his intervention. Listen, I will sell some of my clothes. Anything I can sell, I will sell and make sure you and your sister go back to school as soon as possible, okay? Please cheer up. Okay? Cheer up.
Amaka, I'm hungry, I'm tired.
Hey, baby, let's go home first. Mama will have food, yeah? Let's go.
I want to eat with you. I want to eat short bread, the one that Daddy used to buy for me.
Hey, baby. There's no short bread around here. And besides, no money to buy short bread for you. Let's go home, yeah? Hey, baby. If we go home, Mama will have some food. You eat Gary. You like Gary? You like Gary, right? Let's go. Good girl. Let's go.
Amaka, I'm better. How are you?
I'm fine.
Don't you remember me?
No, we don't.
I'm your Uncle Ben, your mother's brother. I just came back from America.
Whoa! Uncle Ben, welcome.
Yeah. So how are you?
You're fine.
How is your mother?
She's at her shop. We are actually going there to meet her.
Where?
Her shop on the other street.
Okay. So why can't you come? Let me just carry you girls along in my car.
Where's your car?
It's parked over there.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay.
This way. This way. So we're almost there. Almost there, right? What is it?
My mom never told us that she has a brother. And you don't look like someone from America.
I'm your uncle from America, okay?
Amaka, I don't like this uncle. Let's go.
See, don't worry, yeah? I'll buy you some biscuits. See, look. I have plenty money with me, yeah? Don't worry.
No, we're not coming with you.
Come, let's
leave her alone.
Come, let's go.
No.
Yes, you have arrived.
Thank you.
This is my house.
Wow.
I have other houses in many places.
You're really a big man.
Yeah, I'm a
I
big
can see
man.
that.
And if you do me well, I will marry you and take good care of you.
You're not married?
I married a Igbo woman before in America when I was there.
Oh, you've lived in America too?
Oh, not only America, Toronto, Canada, all over the place.
Wow. Oh, baby, I'll do you well, don't worry. I would love to travel with you. I'm tired of this country.
Is it?
Yes, I'll do you well, don't worry.
Yes, do me well. I'll take you to those places.
Baby.
Now, let me take you to the other room.
Okay, baby, let's go. I can't wait.
You've been looking for this shit all along, bro.
Don't worry, baby, let's go.
Hello. How are you?
I'm fine.
I am Larry. What is your name?
I'm Amaka.
Fine name for a fine girl. You know what? Are you new around here?
Yes, new.
Okay. Where's your mommy?
She went to the hospital with my younger one.
Is she sick?
Yes. Okay, do you want to buy anything?
Don't you like chatting with me?
I read my books when there is no customer.
Okay. Serious girl. Very serious student. Anyway, I want to buy some things, you know. Many things. But you have to help me carry them to my house when I finish buying. You know, I'm a big boy. I don't carry things with this my hand, except my big phone. So you just help me, huh?
Sorry, I cannot do that.
Come on, why?
Because there's no one in the shop.
It's just somewhere around here. It won't take long.
Please, you're disturbing me. If you don't want to buy anything, just leave.
Come. So I am now your mate that you're shouting at, Abi? Imagine this stupid small girl, because I came to buy something in your shop. Come, respect yourself, young woman. You hear me? I came here to buy something, doesn't mean you talk to me anyhow. What's wrong with you? Stupid girl.
Yeah, Cynthia, you have not dressed up to go.
Sweetheart, I don't want to go yet.
You must go. What do you mean? I am traveling for a business trip to Kano. You will go.
Okay, let me travel with you then.
Travel with me?
Yes.
Do you combine business with pleasure? You must go, okay. Dress up and go, please. See, I have my flights to meet up with. Don't let me lose my flight. I won't miss my flight because of you.
Baby, I thought you said...
Chere, go and dress up and go, Cynthia. Go.
Please, I'll go. Don't shout on me, please. What's that?
Yes, but I shouldn't shout on you. In my own house. Eh? My own house. Less than 1 week in my house, you want to drive me away. If you live up to 6 months or 1 year, what will happen? You must come with it. I must lock up my door before I go out here. I'm still waiting for you. Rush up. And then one and then mother.
I'm ready.
Use this for your transport.
Just 2,000 naira for spending a whole week with you.
2,000 it costs more. For doing what? 1 week. Eh? Oh, you want me to give you the whole house? No, carry my house for staying here for 1 week.
What has gotten over you?
Gotten over who?
Why are you treating me like this?
How am I treating you? Well, you want me to give you everything I have because you stay here for 1 week? Eh? If you stay for 1 week, what will happen? 1 year.
Is this the love you promised me?
Love. Look at money I gave you. You're talking about love. Hello, madam. What did you do?
Take your evil money. God will repay you for this evil.
Ngakwa.
Take.
Ngakwa.
You're a very wicked man and a heartless man.
Money I sweated for.
What you sow.
You call my money evil money?
Yes.
Ngakwa. Eh? Where? Where?
Take.
Oh, you're using two.
Take. Shake it. Bye-bye. You know what you sow.
More in America. You can see. You can cable sick in Aboram. You stayed just 1 week in my place. Every toilet, shit, here, shit. Everyone say, eh? Keep it for a bottom kita. Mbano. Man kwa send eba. The kwa sige. Yo! Ba, agube. Chekwa. The kwa sige, the kwa. Yo! Look what I become. You came here to sap me. After sapping me, I gave you 2,000. You're not happy. And now Bakwa me can say. Eh? If I get sellotape or masking tape, eh? Ma nyaya ne over week boom. The man you say again. Ma oh? Why? Moko na robo. I suffer for you. You come and okay. Aha. Linda, where have you reached? Okay, that junction. Okay, where they are selling the church card. All right. Okay, from there, you go right. After right, then you go left again.
Hi.
Hi, welcome.
Do you have biro?
Yes.
Okay. How much?
30 naira.
All right, bring 10.
Okay, 300.
Bring biro. And bring 1,000 naira change too, fast.
Okay.
Thank you.
My money.
Look at this thief. I gave you money and asked you to give me change.
No, you didn't. You told me to...
Shut up! You're a confirmed armed robber.
So give me my money now.
Will you leave me alone?
Give me my money.
Come see this guy, I'll slap you. What is wrong with you?
Give me my money. Huh? Give me my money.
See, come on, leave me alone. Stupid girl. Take. If you touch me.
Mommy! Mommy!
What is it?
Mommy!
What?
Mommy, they broke into our shop and stole everything.
Everything?
Yes.
How? What happened? What?
I don't know. They didn't even leave a pin.
Hey. Hey. God, what is this? What is this again? What have we done?
Mommy, let's go there now.
Wait, they didn't leave anything. They took everything in the shop.
The key.
Let's go. What kind of thing is this? What kind of...
All here? All here. You can see.
Very nice.
Even this.
This is nice.
So, yep. So, I want to sell everything and put the money into other things.
Why do you want to sell it?
Women, you never can trust them. This woman may come back one day with a lawyer. They come here and begin to speak big drama. Grammar. I don't want to take chances. So, I hope you know somebody around here.
Yes, I know some guys who can grab at it.
God.
I know.
Whatever I sell the house, you have 10% out of it.
10% out of it?
Yes.
Timo, how much are we looking at?
Anything from 100 million naira up.
Oh.
And you know what 10 million can do in your life?
10 million naira. Do you know the bulldozer? Do you have the papers?
That one is not a problem. Can be easily arranged.
Hey!
Yes.
Oh?
So let's go pop some drinks. You go into operation. Yeah.
Uzubu. Do you know the bulldozer? Gam. What are you calling?
Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. Yes, Daddy. She has gone to so many people, but all in vain. And I told myself that there must be someone who would help us. Barrister, please, help us. We cannot continue to suffer like this.
Come here. Stop crying, okay? I will help you. I'm sure your mother will be worried by now.
Yes.
Do you have her number offhand?
Yes.
Call her so you don't create problems.
Okay.
Hello?
Mommy, it's me.
My God. Amaka, where are you? Are you okay?
Yes, Mommy, I'm fine.
Then where are you and what are you doing there?
I'm at lawyer's office in town.
Lawyer, kwa? What lawyer? Who took you there?
Just calm down. I'm sorry I didn't tell you before leaving the house. I didn't even know where I was going. But now I've reported our case to a lawyer. And she has promised to help us. Please speak with her.
Hello, madam.
Hello, barrister.
You need to be strong and brave like your daughter.
Barrister, I have suffered so much.
It's okay. But are you sure your husband left a will?
Yes, I'm sure. He told me so. He left a will with his lawyer.
So why didn't the barrister read the will?
1 week after my husband's death, armed robbers invaded the lawyer's office and made away with the will.
What is the name of the barrister?
His name is Barrister Osumbo.
Barrister Osumbo. That name rings a bell. I could remember Amroba attacked him and he left the town subsequently. Strange. It's okay, madam. Just calm down. I will get back to you, okay?
Okay.
It's okay, madam. Just calm down. I'll fix everything.
All right, barrister. I'll be waiting.
Okay? It's okay. I'll fix everything.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Rarama, Oyuberu, Rarama, Oyuberu, Rarama. Who is this? Small girl, what have you come to do in my compound? Eh? Eh?
I came to ask you why you've left us to suffer like this.
Who sent you? And what is the mission?
I came by myself. I'm your niece. Your flesh and blood, am I not?
Yeah? Small girl, what do you want? If it is money, I don't have money. Eh?
I saw my father in a dream. And he told me he left a will for us. But you conspired with the lawyer to deceive us.
Look at this girl. Who is the so-called lawyer for me to conspire with? I don't conspire with weaklings. I just showed him my other color. He ran away. Who wants to die?
So there was actually a will, but you collected it from the lawyer.
Look at this girl. And so what? What will you do? Nothing. See, I'm a bulldozer. Whoever blocks my way, I crush. Eh? Look at your father. Help me, he refused to help me. not knowing he will die before me, for me to enjoy all he labored for. Eh?
You have no right to inherit my father's wealth and property while we're still alive.
Eh, well. See, I told your mother to pack over to the boys' quarters so I could begin to take care of all of you. But you refused and stubbornly was struggling for this whole place with me. Eh? Stubborn woman.
Uncle, what you're doing is not good though. Your brother's only family is suffering. And you don't care. Remember God though.
Which God? Eh? Tell your mother that I have said she should go to one of her numerous boyfriends to take care of all of you. Instead of struggling with me for this property. See, I can kill all of you. I can kill. I kill. You want me to kill you? Do you want to die? Do you want to die? Are you sure that? Turn him over here. Look at this girl. Eh? What look at this woman. Sending this small girl to come and die for nothing. Abamon katapachie. Ndem and the mother were kumbiri. Abamon katapachie ndem and mother were kumbiri. If you did not run away, I tell you I am Timothy. Timothy no TT. Omo utikwa eti ozo. Eh? Timothy no TT. Otichaye omo. Omo chakwa ye etikwa ozo. Bacha nkata pachie ike ya. Nde mmụọ na nde mmadụ gbere ya na-eku mmiri. Eh? I have not seen anybody, let alone woman, who will come here and struggle for this property with me. Now, like the bulldozer I am, you come, I destroy you. Here.
Good day, sir.
Uh-huh.
Sir, I guess you're Mr. Timothy Maduka.
Yes? Who are you? I don't know you.
My name is Stella, Barrister Stella Chukuka.
Oh, you are the person who called me, saying that I should come and see her in the office. Insult. Look at you, small girl like you. Huh? Do you know I'm a chief?
Mr. Timothy, that is why I have come personally to see you.
Whatever you want to say it. I'm leaving you now.
Your late brother's wife, Rose, she brought a petition against you. She said you alleged and confiscated all that belongs to her and chased them away.
Hey, she's an idiot. But tell her she's a mad woman. Eh? A woman we married, she came here, then wanted to own the property that was there before she was married. Trying to take over my late brother's money and property. She has entered one chance. You go and tell her. See, when we were about to marry her, I was the one that carried the pot of wine to go to her father to seek her hand in marriage. Did she tell you that also?
Mr. Timothy, the fact remains that she is the next of kin to this house and the owner of every valuables in this house. So you don't have any right or whatsoever to claim what rightful belongs to her.
See, before I close my eyes and open, you have run out of this place. Otherwise, I deal with you. See, I can call my boss now to descend on you. See, lawyer or no lawyer, and then I tell you that you trespassed into my compound and endangered my life. Do you think I don't know law? I know law.
Mr. Timothy, I just sent you a message A voice note. You will call me.
Call on you? Who am chief? To call you, I had to get one charon. Eh? Walk at walk. Come Gagua, Idias, you believe about Hammer. Mayon Nara, tires I hentarea, it is breastless. And I'm sure you don't have a good nipple. See, I'm a chief, and Mary Hekaraka. If you don't have me Hekaraka, she ever walk her out now. She wanted a TOT. Look at her.
Mr. Timothy, you will call me. I'm sure.
Oh, can't walk a cable in my chief. Can't walk. Market made the jail. Look what I become. Ah, Mamma Catabachi, and then more than the mother will couldn't marry. Look one card and one more. Eh? Hey, Ungano, can't I get me a call? Yeah, I got call also. I will among Catabachi, banana, banana, imagine a small girl coming to teach me law. Eh? Ah, hey, hey.
So there was actually a will, but you collected it from the lawyer.
And so what? I'm a bulldozer. Whoever blocks my way, I crush. See,
Hey.
I can kill all of you.
Oh my God. Oh.
You want me to kill you? You want to die?
Mm.
You want to die? Are you sure then?
So these people set me up, recording my conversation. Hi. Ah, bachamon kata bachie. Mona mado. Urekurumri. Eh? Timo, how could you fall so cheaply like Umbada? Eh? How can a girl as small as Amaka use my brain? Use my brain. Kaya baca mong kata baca mo na madu wekurumbiri. Oh, I was drunk. Oh, I Timo, you go on. Oh.
Hello, Mr. Timothy.
Listen, lawyer.
I want us to settle this matter. Nobody gains anything from quarreling.
So how do we settle it?
I will give that woman 500,000 naira so that she will stop disturbing me.
Mr. Timothy, you and I know that the law recognizes her, the wife, as the rightful owner of the property. So all she wants is for her to settle in her husband's house to train her children. She's not asking for too much, you know.
We are saying the same thing. With that money, she can hire a flat and live with her family. Eh?
Mr. Timothy, so you want your own brother's children to settle in a small flat while their father left behind a big mansion?
Okay, let me give you the money so you can forget about that woman.
The only way for us to settle this matter is for you to produce your brother's will, which you admitted that you had.
I don't know about any will. I was joking with the small girl.
You were joking. Or you didn't know that the girl will be smarter than you are?
I don't know what you're talking about. I don't have any will.
Anyway, Mr. Timothy, there is no need running around the bush. All I want you to do is for you to produce the will, or else
I'll raise up that investigation once again. You know the incident that happened at Barrister Osumbo's office?
that made him to run away? You don't dare me, please.
Hello? Are you there?
We got it. He surrendered the will. You know, Amaka, your daughter, is so smart. She got all the evidence that we need to nail him, and he knows it.
My goodness. I don't know what to say. I don't believe she could do this.
He was even drunk that day. I was scared though, but I just had to do it.
Oh, my princess, come here. Thank you so much. Thank you. Barrister, so what next?
First, we'll have to meet with them tomorrow to read out the will, so you won't have any doubt.
All right. So where are we meeting?
In the house.
In the house? Barrister, please, let's meet here. I don't trust that man. He's evil.
Calm down. Do you know what? You have to start taking possession of once. Don't be afraid. It's just a book. Okay? You won't do anything. You're with me.
My princess.
You're happy now, Maka, right? We can say.
Thank you very much.
That woman wants to come here, take over the husband's property, throw me away empty-handed. They think they are smart.
Boy, it is only the living that can be smart.
Yeah. Oh.
When you didn't do the smart.
Oh, the smart. See, I don't want it to happen in their place. It will be suspicious. Let it happen here. To look like accident.
Yeah, accident.
Good.
As if they are cooking noodles. Good.
Good.
What about the lawyer? The lawyer.
Lawyer? I will take care of her. That one is using me to practice law. But I'm going to show her that there is a difference between Ewu Igbo and Ewu Hausa.
Yeah, we Ewu Igbo. Na Ewu Hausa.
Yeah. Take two of you. Oh? Because I want a neat job.
Timo the bulldozer. Are you the one saying this?
Bulldozer.
There is no stories.
Good. So, go for preparation.
Thank you, sir.
I leave everything to you and expect you to succeed.
Yes, boss.
Wow.
We'll be leaving.
Yeah, bro.
Tomorrow is the day.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right. All right. Oh, you are all welcome. Small brother, you've grown big. Rose, welcome. Amaka. And our barrister at law. Come, all of you. Come along, come. Come. Come on. Good. This is good.
I'm expecting a colleague of mine to come as a witness before I can read the will. That is the normal procedure.
It's all right, too. All I know is that we are one family, and we should settle this matter like one family. If there's anything my brother put for me in the will, I thank God. If not, there is no problem. I have surrendered everything in my possession, the cow, key, checkbook, everything. My concern is that this family left behind by my brother, that they are happy. Very simple. That's all.
You have spoken well, Mr. Timothy. If we had the spirit from day one, there wouldn't have been any problem. Madam, you heard your brother-in-law.
Yes, I heard him. I thank God for everything. God is really intervening, and I know that he will perfect it for this widow.
Yes, don't worry. Everything will be sorted out.
All I want is to settle down in my husband's house and train my children in peace. That's all.
pray to God for that one to happen. Because I want to beg you for a favor.
What is it?
Just a favor. Can you give me 2 days to pack away from the main building? But I have prepared a place in the boys' quarter where you can stay until I pack out.
That one is a minor problem. Don't need to beg me. It's okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes, let's sort out the main issue first. My colleague will soon be here, so everything will be all over soon.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Timothy.
All right. Okay. Umaka. Americana. Yeah.
Over the weekend, we brought you the breaking news of how the police raided a ritualist hideout at the remote part of the state. Acting on a tip-off, the police stormed the place and discovered human parts and corpses. However, this man was rescued alive. Although his health condition was questionable, he has been taken to the hospital for medical attention. Today, we bring you the ritualist account of the rescued man as the concluding part.
You get one man. He bring and come here. They don't reach like over 1 year and 6 months now. My oracle reject him for money ritual. So I say make I keep him here to see if the oracle will change his mind.
How did he get here and who brought him here?
I buy him for one man and, you know, as a ritualist when I be, I get plenty agents where they supply me human parts. And I also get big men where they give me plenty money so that I could supply them these human parts.
How have you been able to sustain him all this while?
He gets medicine. When I they give him, we still they keep him alive. But he not gonna know anything. And I also get medicine when I go give him. He go bring back his senses and he go dead normal.
How long will it take him to come back to his senses?
Like as I said before, he get medicine when I go give him now. He go dey well, he go dey okay. His sense go come back to normal.
Come on.
In your next word, treat your senior brother well. Don't be stingy and arrogant. Do you hear me? As you start your journey to her, I would like you to know that we are working for your brother Timothy. Timothy the bulldozer, he has bulldozed you. He is going to take over your wife. That one that is making your head swell up. And we are going to be having her turn by turn. Turn by turn. Look at that, man.
Neat job. What did you do to the body? That body?
We tied a heavy stone on the body
throw it into the river.
I hope the stone was heavy enough to sink him.
More
So he
than
won't
30
float.
More than 30 bags of cement.
Very good. Very good.
Yeah, I have the 18 cards.
Everything. Bring everything. Eh? I got tired about this idiot.
These are the pin numbers.
Very good. Father pampered him. Eh?
He insisted. But when I tortured him,
Oh.
I buried him.
That's why I gave you the job. Oh, thank you for a job well done. Thank you. Oh, why? Thank you. Bye.
Rose. Rose. Greetings, everyone. Rose, please, I need to see you.
Nasa, are you okay?
I need to see you. It's important. Just a minute.
No, you can't see me. You're in the middle of something.
1 minute.
Please, excuse me. What is it?
Come now.
Nasa, Ogene, what is it?
Come now.
What is it? What is it?
Did you see it?
See what?
The news.
What news?
Rose, your husband is alive. Stop shouting.
He's alive? How? Where? How do you mean?
It was on news. It was on TV. I saw it. I saw him.
You saw my husband?
Yes. You saw my husband.
Yeah, wait. Let me can see. Wait.
They said he has been in a ritualist shrine all this while.
Hey, ritualist shrine? How? How did he get there?
From the news I heard on TV, they said an agent took him there for a ritual, but the oracle rejected him.
Thank God.
Police raided there on Saturday and they took him to the hospital.
What hospital? Okay, which hospital?
You ask.
Let's go.
How are you, madam?
What is going on here?
There is nothing going on. You have nothing to be afraid of. Our presence here means no harm.
With a gun?
Just calm down. You'll find out soon.
Francis! Francis, is this you? Francis! Oh my God! Is this you? Oh my God!
How are you?
Dikeh, look, please, I'm in the middle of a meeting. I will call you later. Oh?
I missed you guys. I
missed you more. Oh, thank God for bringing you back. I'm so grateful. Oh, thank God. Of course, you know Chinasa. That is Barrister Stella.
Welcome there. You're welcome.
She's the young woman that has been helping us.
Helping you?
Don't worry, darling. You won't understand. It's a long story. Let's just go inside. Let's go inside. Let me take care of you.
Francis, my brother, are you back? Welcome. Hey.
Hold it there, you criminal.
Barrister, what is it? My brother is happy to see me back.
Yes, I'm happy.
No, he's not. You see, your brother here chased your family out of this house, and they've been running around all this while, leaving them homely and hungry for 5 months. Your daughter here, Amaka, was just roaming the street. That was when I met her. She told me everything. Your brother here is under police investigation for a robbery case that took place at your lawyer's place.
Robbery?
Yes.
I don't understand.
I will explain. The will you left was stolen at your lawyer's place. Thereafter, he chased your family away. You know, we tricked him into accepting that he has the will. I actually threatened him with the criminal case that we investigated. That was why he accepted this peaceful gathering. Your brother here summoned the criminals that stole the will at your lawyer's place in order to humiliate your family.
Brother, you did all this to me?
It's not true. It's not like that, brother. I'm happy you are back from the land of the dead.
I was never dead.
But brother, leave that thing. Let us unite as one family. Forget about all these things, please. Oh, we are still the same one, and only one, Biko. Biko, I beg you.
Move! Enter this way. No, this way. I'll fire you. Come this way.
Move it!
Sir, sit down. These are the
Go down, go down!
On your knees! Sit down, sit on the ground.
These men didn't know that we have had the whole of this compound secured. Right from the very day we busted the ritualists here and there, from one movement to the other, this is the end result. This one was trying to escape through the fence, while this other one, he was coming back with a very dangerous weapon to come and kill and destroy. Open your back to them. Open the back before I tell my boss to blow off your head.
Please, don't shoot. Okay, please.
No, sister.
Can you get
That all?
Yes, sir.
So what is it for?
These are explosive device.
Explosive device?
Yes, sir.
And what are they meant for?
We are...
Can't you talk?
I can talk, please. We are meant to burn down this voice portal.
Hey!
With it.
You and who?
We are working for God, Timothy.
Yes.
Timothy.
Don't come anymore.
I don't know you.
Timothy, you're lying.
Huh?
You know them.
I don't.
He's lying. They are working for him.
I
They're
don't.
the ones that threw us out of this. Am I lying?
Yes.
Yes.
Don't
call my name
the children out of the house.
Yes, he's right.
We were meant to burn the woman and her children in the bush butter. Then report that they were cooking. Then
yes.
Now it's
Who told you that one?
Oh my God.
Ogatimo, are you lying?
Why you ask them to move to Portugal?
Ogatimo, the ATM card that I see, the whole money. After you withdraw some money now.
It is not me.
Now. Did you give me any one?
Yes.
You can't do that, please. You can't do it.
If we were planning to sell this house, the buyer will be coming tomorrow.
Why are you denying us?
Hey,
He would have burnt me and my children.
the buyer is coming tomorrow. The buyer, they go now. Hey,
You guys went to such an extent?
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. Please forgive us. Please forgive us, please.
Get up!
Move in!
Keep moving.
You this move away.